Can you believe it's April? My, look at this. My wife woke up and told me, or I woke up and my wife told me it was a lot of snow on the ground. I thought she was joking. Looked out the window and oh my. I think now that I've recorded this, we've had about 14 inches this morning. It's still coming. Branches are breaking on some of the trees. It's a heavy, wet snow. It's such a wet snow, it's hard to snow blow. It plugs up in the snow blower. Sure hope it melts off pretty soon, because it's a lot of it. Yeah, so how's the weather in your guys' area? I guess down south, you guys probably got spring already. Spring's not here yet. Hopefully soon. I hear the seagulls singing. My wife heard robin last night. Kind of surprised. He's probably wishing he hadn't come this far north this fast. Well, you guys all take care. Always takes a long time to chore on days like today. Makes it tough. Well, if you can, like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Thanks.